Using Chat GPT can be a valuable tool to support your language learning journey. Here's how you can leverage Chat GPT to learn a new language. Conversational practice. Engage in conversations with Chat GPT in your target language. Practice common phrases, ask questions, and receive responses to improve your speaking and comprehension skills. Example. You can ask Chat GPT, "How do you say hello in Spanish?" Or, "Can you help me practice a conversation in French?" Vocabulary expansion. Ask Chat GPT for word definitions, synonyms, or translations to build your vocabulary. You can inquire about specific words or phrases, helping you broaden your linguistic knowledge. Example. You can ask Chat GPT, "What is the translation of book in German?" Or, "Can you give me synonyms for beautiful in Italian?" Grammar assistance. Seek help from Chat GPT to clarify grammar rules, sentence structures, or specific grammar concepts. Chat GPT can provide explanations, examples, and corrections to refine your language usage. Example. You can ask Chat GPT, "Can you explain how to use ser and estar in Spanish?" Or, "What is the correct verb conjugation for to eat in French?" Writing support. Improve your writing skills by seeking guidance from Chat GPT. Ask for feedback on your written work, suggestions for sentence structure, or tips on how to express ideas more effectively. Example. You can ask Chat GPT, "Can you help me proofread this paragraph in Japanese?" Or, "Do you have any tips for writing a formal letter in English?" Cultural insights. Chat GPT can provide cultural context, idiomatic expressions, and information about local customs, helping you gain a deeper understanding of the language and its associated culture. Example. You can ask Chat GPT, "What are some traditional greetings in Chinese culture?" Or, "Can you explain the meaning of the phrase, buen provecho, in Spanish?" Congratulations, language learners! With Chat GPT as your language companion, you'll excel in conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.